Hello everyone, this is another revision clip. This time we are going to focus in a short 5-minute period on one of our operations or production topics. I'm going to have you think a little bit about the methods of production. The methods of production topic asks us to consider the idea of manufacture of a product being made or manufactured in a factory-like setting, in an organisation, in a business. And for our course, we have to consider that there are 3 methods of manufacture, 3 ways to make a product. And we focus on job production, we focus on batch production, and then finally we focus on flow production. Now, it's really important that you consider that the scale of this topic, a quite large topic, that we have to not only be able to name these 3 methods and give examples of products for the easier marks, but we also have to be able to describe what job production is, what batch production is, and especially at higher, we have to be able to discuss these methods of production. What are the advantages of flow production? What are the disadvantages? The first production method then that I will focus on is job production. Now, job production is all about the creation or production of one-off, unique items. They are customised, they meet the exact requirements of an individual customer. We can think a bit about a wedding as a good example. We think about the manufacture of the dress that the bride will made. It'll be fitted exactly to her body shape, so it's customised. We could think of a tailored suit, which would be worn and fits the exact measurements of the person who's wearing it. Another good example could also be the idea of customised cakes. You can go into many supermarkets now and you can take in a photograph, or you can take in a specific item and have a cake customised. There are many cake shops now which will create the exact product you're looking for. We can go on to consider batch production next, and when I think of batch production, I always think of a chocolate bar. Not because I'm hungry or bored of studying batch production, but batch production is really epitomised when we think about production of chocolate bars, chocolate sweets. Batch production involves us making groups of very similar products, and in each batch all we're doing is slightly changing the components or the ingredients. We could think about the production of a dairy milk chocolate bar. Perhaps a batch will run for 2 hours, then the machine is stopped, it's cleaned down, and then perhaps 2 hours worth of dairy milk whole nut will be created. And then after that, they stop, they clean down, dairy milk caramel, and so on. We can also think a little bit about soft drinks. Perhaps machinery is used to create a few batches of Coca-Cola, and after that Coca-Cola Zero, and then Diet Coke and Cherry Coke. Batches all similar, the composition is similar, but we're just changing the taste, the ingredients. Finally, we can consider flow production, which is also quite commonly known as mass production. The idea of mass being volume, lots. In this method of production, a high number of identical items are manufactured. So they're all the same. There are no changes. And if you think of the idea of a conveyor belt system where the product is flowing from one stage to the next, you think of a car as a good example. We go down the production line and the chassis of the car is put together, then the wheels might be put on, and then the engine will be put on, then doors, then the glass. You get the idea, we're flowing through a conveyor belt system in factory. Also very common, we can think about electronic goods, TVs, laptops, smartphones, tablet PCs, tablet computers. These are also identical products. The components inside are the same.